welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how much money I have earned from Amazon KDP based on my royalty report. So this is the month of what, September, and today is the count of September. So this is my royalty. I was able to cover $3.44 from my royalty. So let's check for last month and see. Last month, for the month of August, from 1st August to 31st August, I was able to earn a royalty of $21.49 based on 6 books, right? So let's check for last 90 days. So for the last 90 days, I was able to cover $79.79. So let's check for all time and see the amount of money I have earned as a royalty. So I was able to cover $172.57 as my total royalty that I've earned from Amazon KDP. So let's check for this year. So let's wait for it to load up. So for this year, I was able to cover $172.57 dollars from January 1st to September 2nd. So let's check for today again to confirm whether this month. Let's see. So from September 1st to September 2nd of 2024, I was able to cover or to earn a royalty of $3.44. So if you find value from this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.